Okay, we're back at it again, and we're holding longs on trade day. I already took profit on one, holding one more runner for a big move up, probably to the top of here, but we'll see what the market gives us. We are live only for capos with damn good trading because we are a family in the mafia. So if you want to join the capos, rise to power with the trading mafia, gotta go on our website, dgtmafia.com, no other websites, and purchase either a weekly, monthly, or yearly subscription. You get to watch me trade live every day, pretty much, except when, certain days maybe I won't be around, but mostly every day. You get the family's inner circle and secret channels. And you also get consigliere sessions and family meetings where we're all gonna get together and talk about strategies. You also get exclusive status and networking, get a special role in the chat, and you get the Capo chat and the VIP council room coming soon. And then also you get a full beginners course along with one mastermind per week to learn a little bit more about trading and how we were all able to make so much money. And actually, I'm not positive that this is gonna blast up, so we might be exiting here at break even because it's looking a little bit bearish. Yeah, I'm not totally convinced in this trade anymore. It's just been ranging all day, looking a little sus, breaks this level, and we're just gonna bail. Yeah, and it's out. Okay, yeah, we're out of that. Made $55. Rip. But yeah, today's gonna be a little sus. Definitely light size recommended today. It's just whipsawing. It's meant to take people out of the game. It's meant to take your money if you didn't catch that morning pump. So be very, very careful. And this is our trade day account. So we don't really need to take another trade. Could move on to the Topstep combines, but I think we might actually take one more scalp just to hit like $500 profits on the day. But I just feel like it's gonna go up and down and then dump off a cliff at one point. It's holding this level, just swept it a little bit. Let's look at a Con Tower. I this is a tough thing to trade. It's better just to wait. So we're gonna sit here and we're gonna wait. A triple bottom play. I don't really like triple bottoms. I like double bottoms, but a triple might be a little rough. Yeah, I'm only doing audio. Oh, no. Whoops. No, I'm not sharing video because it messes up my recording, but I am gonna share my screen. That's my bad. I was in this trade. And I don't trust this right now, so we're gonna sit here and wait. We were long. We made $50, $55. We were up like 500, but gave back a little bit right here with this little dump. It seems like it's just gonna range and then pick a direction and go fucking ballistic, like 100-point move in one direction. That's what I'm expecting at least. So I'm thinking we play the tops and the bottoms for entries, or we could scalp some of this range, but I don't trust it. So yeah, we're gonna be looking for an either top or bottom and take our entry off of that. This might be the bottom of our new range, so we're gonna leave a line right there. Another line right here. That's our hard bottom. And then we already got our hard top. So we're gonna be chilling. Probably in this range for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna fucking missile. Down or up, and flip a coin. It's 50-50. my boy from South Africa. So funny. I was literally just in South Africa. We could have met up. I'm living it. So I like double bottoms, but triple bottoms, not too big a fan of. We are on a bullish day. So maybe, just maybe, we'll take it. Just because I think we're gonna blast through the roof. But typically, double or triple bottoms are extra sus, and they like to sweep either much lower or stop like way before it, like this. Like it could just missile up right here, or it's gonna sweep it hard and then fucking fly up. But I don't think it's gonna be a hard bottom like these wicks. So we're gonna have a delayed entry. Could take the short scalp on trade day. But this might be the triple bottom right here. Does like to stop a little bit before, a little bit after. This might be done for. Triple bottom's gone. He's good. He goes to suck. Okay, yeah, there's our triple bottom. Technically, it did body, or it did fill the bodies. These candles, just not the wicks. Technically. Da-da-da-da. You might be dumping off a cliff here, actually. I'm still bullish. I think we break this high. Technically, we already broke the high from earlier, though. Hmm. Look at this bullish volume and bearish volume. Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is sus for longs. This could just dump off a cliff at any fucking minute. Already in this zone. 48. Hit the top of this FVG. Or literally just bounce around. Here's a real triple bottom. Let's see if it goes down to 48. No, I don't want a knife catch. We're going to relax for a little bit. No looking at knife catching today. TGT Mafia! I think we're almost filled on the 5 free couple memberships.
Real
Yo,
quick.
what's going
So
on, my boy? Look at
I
this
had
dump off a
five.
cliff, huh?
Yeah, I had 5 people DM me like at once.
Oh, really?
Their proof. Yeah. So I think we should just send them through instead of fucking saying no to anybody.
Yeah.
You know? And then yeah, I'll add them and then the spots are filled.
Yeah, all spots are filled right now. But,
Open your hourly. Go to your
you,
fucking hourly FGs. That's where I was targeting like way earlier.
hey, but make
450.
sure you don't actually give people rules. They gotta click it on the website. There's a button after they sign up that just says connect to
Oh yeah,
Discord. It's all
no, I know. I
automatic.
saw it. I got you, bam.
This 78 level is what I was looking at. This is the top of this FVG. It's 5-minute FVG. You're saying there's an hourly one as well? I'm too focused on the Discord chat. I can't even get in my shorts. No, I'm actually looking for longs though. I think we're gonna blow through the fucking roof at some point. No way this fucking this daily candle dojis, right? Got a 15-minute FVG at 450. Could just ride these shorts down on trade day. I really think we're gonna blast at some point, blast up. I think shorts are almost as risky as longs right now. Just because of market sentiment. Like, we've been stupid bullish. Like, crazy bullish for a hot minute now. We sit here and we wait. Patience pays. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough patience earlier, and I fucking took an L. So, we're gonna have patience now. Because every trading session is a lesson. Got Braulio here. Best traders are know this is how a pro turns a red day into a green one. Completely live and uncut. Always live and always uncut. Raw day trading. Forever. King Pusha. Wait, no, he needs to say something. Add a caption to your tweet, though, please. Oh, this was a lost video, too. I hate those videos. This is a tight downtrend. We're not taking any longs until we see some real bullishness. Possibly gonna scalp a shorts. Very possibly. I'm still bullish, so I do not want to get locked into a short position because I'm afraid I might marry it like I did today. I got out of my long, I went short, even though I was stupid bullish, and I married the short. I could not get out of it. That is exactly what I'm not going to do right now. LMG! No, every guy seems funny. Got you, bro. Dumping, not pumping. Yo, Shams, you still in here? So Jacob, we all use similar what are these called? Indicators on TradingView. They're exclusively on TradingView. One is FBG by Nephew Sam. Smart Money Concepts, Lux Algo, that's the ICT indicator. It basically makes these FBGs for you, so you don't have to manually do them. Basically, any giant body with like no red, like you see how there's not an FBG here because there's red candles there. They already filled those FBGs, so they filled the sitting orders. But like down here, there's sitting buy orders, right? People put limit buys a while back, but this blue passed so fast that they could not get filled, and the orders are just sitting there, right? And that's what an FVG is, fair value gap. Honestly, I'm still so bullish that this might be all she wrote, because this is a big, big support level. But we wait and see. Next level, past 59.60-ish. Major level would be like 13, like right here. And then all these FVGs, if they get filled, we're just falling off a cliff. But there's, like, I would say right above here, like 400 level, I don't think we're breaking that. There's just too many FEGs, too many sitting orders. And I don't think we're going down much further, to be honest. And if we do start falling off a cliff, then something dramatic happened. This will be our downtrend. If this breaks out, we'll end up taking longs. Emotions and fear and greed are the only thing holding. I don't think that's legal to say. Patience, emotions, fear, and greed are the most powerful forces preventing great traders from success. Fucking deep. Buggy. I need to get more active on Twitter. That's one reason I'm doing this. I've been slacking on Twitter. But, well, I do have a bunch of crypto followers, no futures day trading followers. I have quite a few crypto followers, but I don't think they give a shit about futures. Okay, so when it starts touching this line on the 1 minute, we should see a big move, either up or down. If it continues down, we're waiting. Starts pumping up, we might join the pump. She might want to drop to like 46, 46-ish. Like right here, so it'd just be a little sweep of the lows. Let's see. Scalping shorts would not be a bad idea right now. Getting close to this trend line. Let's see if we're breaking this downtrend. We do not want a premature long entry here. This could easily drop another 50 points. I'd be shocked, but it could. And on the flip side, it could just fucking rocket too. So that's what we're looking to catch. Still holding a downtrend. Forming FEGs on the way down as well. We have an FEG right here. The little one. $446 was our other level. What strategy do you make for pullbacks, and how are your entries shit if it's just a pullback? So you're now in the one bounce at 50. Yeah, 46-ish, 50. That's what we're watching. If it just rips through, then we're not taking it, but let's see. It's about to hit it. Getting some resistance already. Should be a pop down, and if we really are bullish, then it should just fucking flip. But we're looking for this this trend line break. Okay, it's hitting our 46 level. Folding. This would be a knife catch though, which I do not want to do right now. It does seem like it'd be a successful one though. Knife catch, so like this is like a falling knife, some people call it, because you get in long and you're gonna get stabbed, you're gonna get cut. You know what I mean? It's gonna fuck you up. So knife catch would be trying to catch the bottom of a falling knife, right? Which is what we're trying to avoid right now, because this could keep falling for a hot minute. And we could be riding this trend down too, but I suspect a hard reversal. It's been such a bullish day that I'm not looking for shorts right now. $424 would be next. Looking for a break of the downtrend for the entry. Yeah, I like the Fibonacci. We're taking profit. Speaking of Fibonacci, I'm gonna set one right now. Fib retracement. We might actually be dropping for quite some time. Try to trade with the trend. I try to catch reversals. It's holding this 446 level. But it needs to break the trend. Possibly take this short on trade day. Breaking the trend? Oh no, still got a little bit to go. Trading Mafia, motherfucker. Couple life. Still a downtrend though. Do not be trying to knife catch this. Unless you have big balls. I mean, you could if you want, but we're trying to get XFAs and a payout, so we're not doing any we're not doing any super risky trades at the moment. Like, yeah, dude, if I can do Mafia's fucking bounce. So cool. We could be entering shorts right here, which we're gonna do on trade day. We'll take one short for the continuation of the trend. If this trend line breaks, we bail and we flip long. But we're going for a little scalp here on trade day. Is it gonna hold? Hit a good entry. Welcome to the family, boys. Looks like it's breaking this downtrend. But we're waiting for confirmation. So one more 5-minute candle. If it closes above 78, we're looking for longs. Welcome, Oliver. Welcome to the family. You start smoking cigars on live. Boss status, baby. We might be taking the scalp because I'm pretty bullish still. Fucking Scarface now. Get my nose powder going. I've done that before. Traded while on that shit, dude. Fucking so stressful. So stressful. Uh-oh. And some technical difficulties. This is annoying about building websites. Always some kind of problem somewhere. And then you gotta go find it, and you gotta fix it, and you gotta test it, and then you gotta do this. With trading, click, click, boom, you just made 5 grand. You know what I mean? We're gonna exit here because it's getting close to breaking the downtrend, and trade day is just I only need a little bit of money, so $350. We'll take that. And now we're focused on just Topstep. So this play is still valid until that trend line breaks. We might see a fucking vicious drop right here. There's a new 5-minute candle. Should tell us if we're bullish or bearish. It's gonna break down either side. Either break our trend line or break down. So just a little more patience. And we will perhaps get paid. Cash money, Phoenix. Code calls, powder puts. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know it was diamond to trade. I want to take some fucking coat calls right now for this double bottom, but fucking not super high risk, so we're not gonna do it. We're waiting for the trend line break. Doesn't go under 1.0 length? I don't know what you mean by that. I think I was like 20 at that time, or like, no. No, actually, I was younger. No. No, this was probably like 5 years. I think I was like 22, actually. 23, maybe. Fuck, I don't remember how old I was. It wasn't that long ago, though. It was like when I first started trading. There's our double bottom play. Still glad we didn't get in because fucking risky. But as soon as it breaks out of here a little bit, boom, we're in this. She is. We'll go 2 cons to start. Looking to gap fill back up here. I think it's gonna break the highs. If we don't just keep dropping. It's 500 ticks, Jesus. Ooh. No, not the funded account. It happens though. Yeah, I remember the Rafferties. Colin did 1 line. Boom. Dropped dead. Fentanyl. Remember hearing about that? Poor Colin, man. He was my neighbor when I lived in Midway. Yeah, yeah, I agree that this trend looks weak. That's why I'm looking for longs. I don't want to take premature because we could just fucking rip through. It's okay, dude. I believe everything happens for a reason. Why he had to die, I don't know, but I think it happens for a reason. Yeah, Bashy's actually the pro with like indicators and that kind of stuff. People will help you out. Shams is saying 416, 396. We could join the short trend, but it does look fairly weak. It, but that doesn't mean it's not just gonna dump off a cliff for no fucking reason. This is gonna tell us right here. Is it gonna break out? Look at this 5-minute dojiing. Oh shit. Very close to breaking our trend. Trading view only, Travel Jacob. Trading view only. King Pusha. My boy. Cool is crucial. Panic leads to paper hands and losses are unnecessary, which then leads to revenge trading and the latter. Unnecessary. Spelled right? Unnecessary, yeah, okay. Oh, here we go. We got our break of the downtrend. Do you take an early entry, or do we wait for confirmation? Confirmation would be above 78-ish. Basically needs to break this high. That's somewhat confirmation. Notice how when it broke this downtrend, boom, it fucking rocketed. Trend lines fucking sometimes work. Doesn't mean they work all the time. So we're gonna wait just a little bit longer. Because patience pays. Yeah, yeah. Drawing FEGs might even be a little more helpful. So you get an idea of where they're gonna be or where they're at. It's basically any long bodies. So if we look over here, honestly, on the 5-minute FEGs aren't amazing, but they're doable. Like 1 hour, 4 hour FEGs, those are usually hard stops. But like this right here would be an FEG. So like, I mean, I like to just draw lines because I have them already drawn out on TradingView. But what you do is go from the bottom of that wick to like in the middle-ish of the body, and you come out, and this would be considered an FEG because there's gonna be sitting, resting orders there. that need to be filled. Somewhere in that space, they got passed up, and they need to be filled. So we'll keep this one. See if it comes in handy later. Just in case we're not dumping off a cliff. I mean, just in case we are dumping off a cliff. Down to that spot nobody knows. Okay, so we're looking for make this bigger somehow. 514. 4 would be 491. 4.5 is like between 83 and 75. Was that 91? So those are the big shorts. Yeah, they already blew past those levels. Okay. So this is past 4.5 on standard deviation, which means it should be fizzling out. We're looking for our loan. Expect some consolidation, and then we want blast off. Oh my god. Isn't easy to learn. This guy talking shit. Gotta love it. Out of my overnight short? What? But 478. Can we push through? Our first FBG is at 479. Yeah, so right above this level. And we have another one. I think if we break this level, we should be headed up. Finally. Let's see if this holds the 15-minute trend. It's tapping that FEG, but she is getting smacked down. Should see a pullback, and then we'll actually take the longs, because it's already eating the liquidity right there. Here's our pullback. We'll go one con. And we're in. On another pullback, we'll add one more. Fucking shitty fill on the other two accounts. Game on, go for 2K. Oh my god, $4 away. Why do you want 2K though? Just needs $4, Bashy. $4 dollars. Go 1 micro to get $4, minus $1. Yeah, just dumps off a cliff in 1 minute. I've done that before. Been like, I think I was $200 away from passing a combine. So okay, so I had three combines. I passed two. One I got shitty copy trade fills, right? So it's $200 away. And for whatever reason, I decided to go 5 cons or like 10. I put in like a massive amount of cons for $200. Little did I know it was like an FOMC meeting or some shit. Literally a minute after I got into shorts, it fucking blew through the roof and my account went minus 10K. Like daily loss is 3K and it still went minus 10K. Yeah, I was pissed. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? So that's why, yeah. Like like $4, like it's such a bad like $200 is like, with 10 cons, that's like $4 with 1 micro, right? Oh fuck me, make sure you check out the news. Learned my lesson the hard way. You try losing money because you make too much and whoa. Wait, what? You just needed to lose money. Why'd you lose that much money? Damn, Oliver. That's some serious revenge trading. And you try losing money because you make too much and end up revenge trading the account to DLL? That's some serious revenge trading. Yeah, I've never done that either. But damn. Oh, bro. Yeah, dude, sometimes you gotta learn the fucking real hard way. But wait, why didn't you just stop when you lost enough money is what I'm wondering, dude. Like, if you just needed to lose a little bit because you made too much, why didn't you just stop when you lost enough? Oh, you lost too much, so you tried to get it back. And then, I think no, I've never done that. Because you just open, close till, because every trade you should lose around $20 if you're trading minis, or like $10 or something. That's actually really funny, dude. This semi looks like it wants to dump off a cliff, so I'm actually gonna put a hard stop, not right there because I don't want to get stopped out, but I'll put a hard stop like right there, just in case we do get a mega dump. Because this can go one of two ways: blast through the fucking roof or dump off a cliff, and just in case. Oh, we're only 1 con in. We low key might be flipping shorts, by the way. This downtrend might not be finished. This was just the impulse move up. Possibly. We're gonna see. We'll take a loss, if necessary, if it goes below not 47, like 64-ish. I would almost say even if it breaks like right here and like hard, we get out. I'm not convinced this is the end of the downtrend. It broke it on the 15-minute. Shit, maybe this is the end of the downtrend. We come up maybe to VWAP, then potentially dump off a cliff. If we're even gonna dump, I mean, I'm still bullish as fuck on the day, but we gotta be ready for a dump just in case it does come. Big drop and climb up, yeah, I know. But we've been on such a massive bull run that we could get a decent dump at some points. Like last Friday, I knew there was no dump coming. Today, I'm not convinced. Like, look at this fucking daily, dude. This could become like a doji. No, I think it might turn red, or we gap fill up. Yeah, let's go with the gap fill up, because I think that's more likely. So we're gonna add one more. See if it breaks. On a pullback, we'll add one more. We're not gonna just add one randomly, like right there. We could add one right here. We'll add one more. We'll go 2 cons. Across 3 accounts, so technically 6 cons. Do you guys not hear me? Hello, testing. My mic's working.
I need the max win.
I hear you now. Oh, you couldn't hear me before, huh? I need a max win. What the fuck is that? People love their cheap Apex combines. If it's cheap, it ain't good. And if it's good, it ain't cheap. Life lessons. I wonder if we slow grind up or if we're actually gonna dump off a cliff. I expect us to miss though. I mean, it's doing it right now a little bit, but I think we might actually just pump beyond belief. This thing gonna keep pumping. There we go. Get a little pumper in. VWAP, we might sell one con. Still 27 points. That's pretty good. 5-minute FPG, I believe. You're not praying. So I'm debating if we're just gonna hold for the mega pump because dude, I really think it's gonna either tap the highs or just rip through them and go on a fucking ballistic bull run. So looking at the daily, I mean the daily doesn't really mean shit. I mean look at that wick. I don't think it's gonna be wicking this hard today. Like a wick like that, yeah. So we still have up to like 60-ish. We're close. But I almost think it's just gonna blow right through, dude. Like this has just been some real bullshit in a good way the past few days. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's one of those days dump, fake pump up. I don't think it's gonna tap VWAP if it's gonna dump. But like get like to like just the middle of here, you know, like one of these FPGs right here, and then boom, straight through the fucking floor. New York fucking dumped 500 ticks. That's something. Oh my god, game on. Good shit, dude. Got more than your $4. Got $127. Good shit, dude. I'm glad he didn't fucking rip it, dude. Like Oliver did with his with his fucking with his combine. Baby. What? Trainwreck? No, I've never heard of that guy. Millions? Gamble in what? On stake? The slot machines? Oh, Jesus. I fucking hate slot machines. Shit, this was the area where it could dump off a fucking cliff. Yeah, sometimes I don't believe that those guys actually do that. Like millions of dollars. Like maybe a few thousand, sure, but millions on slots? That would be some shit. $140 million off Bitcoin? Wait, what? What the fuck? Dude, what do you get Bitcoin at? Like 1 cent? Oh my god. I like that guy's style. Everyone's saying the shorts will come later. Does that mean the shorts come now? I don't think so. I think we're still bullish. This would be the area. Actually, I think we tapped it, so I don't think if we're gonna dump, I think it's gonna come now. Or like soonish. Let's get the rocket. We need to make 4K today. We don't need to, but that's what I want. How do we get to 4K? We'll be damn close if we get to this top. Are we gonna get up there? Not entirely sure. I think we're gonna add one more con. But do we have news? I believe we had light news before. Didn't see what it was. We have nothing today. 2:30 a.m. Japan shit. No, man. You want $50 more? Oh my god. Look at how weak this is getting, though. This could potentially dump off a cliff. That'd be nuts. Oh, we're fucking peer pressuring Bashy, man. The degen wants what it wants. Feed the inner degen Bashy. Slow roll to 4K for my XFA. And then my payday. I would not mind reversing right now, to be honest. This upward chop is bearish. That had a little blast up. Nah, this should still keep going up. We had our massive take profit right there. I think we just slow grind up. Why would it dump off a cliff? Just to fuck everyone? Yeah, I mean, it's very possible. Dum 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 dum. Get denied by this FBG right here. Very, very possible, but I think it's more likely that it dicks around and then blasts through it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna go. TJ is out. This might dick around for a little bit here. Boom, boom, boom. Possibly come back to our entry. Could sell one and add later. Let's see if this breaks. On a rejection, we're just gonna sell. Sell one. Does a rejection, we'll sell one. Mm. Bum 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 bum. The only reason I'm lightning right now is because I've seen this shit happen and fucking dumps off a cliff. So it's more of a risk management type of deal. But we're still pumping, so we're good. This is just a sweep before the dump. I've waited for this dump many days. And it should come a little bit later after we consolidate for a while. If it's gonna come, tap VWAP, boom, boom, consolidate, and then dump off a cliff. Right now, I don't think we're gonna be dumping. Lemming, let's add to longs. And then we have TJ in here shorting at 502. So let's see if he got a good short entry because it could be, but I don't believe it too much. This is TJ short entry. Let's see. Let's see how that goes. Watch it just be like the sickest short entry of the day. Liquidation begins. I kind of want to add another long here. 2 more actually. I want to go up to 3. I'm not convinced that we are actually going to pump more. It's been a range day, so very well could stay a range day, but I see the slow grind up coming more than a range or a dump. Anne Marie Bained? Hold up, look at that. Topstep Monday and Friday, 1 p.m. CT. She's kind of hot. Shambles MILF Trader? Question mark. Oh my lordy. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. This is VWAP right here, this line. Volume weighted average price. It's basically the average of all the volume, but at a price level. So see how it goes like up and down? Because that's based on volume and price averaged. Digging around, accumulating buyers for the pump. We're gonna add it here. Oh my god, look at that volume. We'll add up to 3 here. When volume fucking dumps like that, or like it's like a little sus. Like I think it's complete cap, just liquidating stop losses and right back up. That's what I think. So let's see what happens. Stop loss hunts, yeah, that's exactly what that was. Going for round 2. Hunting our stop loss. I think it's cap. I think we slow grind up. The possible dump later. I don't think it's right now. Yeah, they can. We could see where everyone's stop losses are as well. And that's exactly what they do. They stop loss hunt. So a lot of stop losses were probably under this wick. So what they do, they came past it, swept, probably go right back up. Another stop loss hunt would be this level around here. But if we go down there, then I'm losing my my bullish mentality. That's what they do. They literally just fuck people all the time. Use their liquidity for their massive positions, right? I would suggest a hard stop because it's sometimes it's hard to close a losing position. I still struggle with it myself sometimes. Stop loss position is good. So they won't actually see yours. They're not really too worried about yours. You're in simulated accounts anyway, so they can't see yours. But if you were like holding out like 100 lots, like 100 contracts, and you had one stop loss like right there, yeah, they'll come hunt you. 100 is enough for them to hunt, I think. Let's see if TJ's short entry gets fucking burned. Can I ask him if he's still holding shorts? Yeah. Still holding the shorts. We should be able to hit our 4,500 with just 3 lots. Be good practice for the XFAs. Yeah, that is some mafia type shit. They come in, roll people's stop losses, and then just fucking moon it. TJ's sweating. I might start sweating soon. They might be going for these stops over here. Still holding. Oh my god. Does this want to dump off a cliff? I don't think so. Sweep the bottom one more time? I don't think so. I think all this stuff's unlikely. I think we are headed back up just with a minor delay. Only fans before stop losses. I could see those hedge funds getting off on that. Oh yeah, it's a fucking juicy stop loss. Fucking sell, hit that stop loss. Oh yeah. Fucking cream their pants, taking stop losses. I could fucking see it. I could also see us fucking mooning here. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back. Hey, here's a consolidation. Consolidation dump. Fuck. I usually fucking wait for these. But I don't think it's happening today. Fuck, let's see. Let's see what we can find out here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything that could lead to dump, but it's possible. Highly unlikely, I think. A big dump at least. Like small little dumps, sure, but a big one. I don't think it's in the cards for now at least. But we'll see if this rejects this high again, aka TJ's short entry. We might consider taking some profit. I think it's at least gonna sweep this, at least. One more time. Ding, ding, ding. TJ got out. That's not a short entry anymore. Rip. TJ's old short entry. So that was a good short scalp. He got out like somewhere around here. 55 ticks. Pretty fucking good. 15 cons. That's like 4 Gs. Consolidation. Ah, shit. Okay, let's see if this breakout attempt works or if it fails. Should be a giant dildo any minute now. Red or green. I think it's gonna be green though. Let's get our motherfucking breakout. Oh, we have a lot of accounts. Up 1,000. Want to get to 4. It's gonna take a while. I don't want to dick around here too long. I want to go chill for scuba diving tomorrow. Get burnt out already. Scuba diving's fucking pretty insane. Got to 13.2 meters today, like almost 40 feet. Fucking ran out of breath. Started breathing super fast. Thought I was gonna die at one point. Good news is with scuba diving, all you gotta do is just breathe. You'll be fine. Can't stop breathing, but you breathe, you'll be just fine. Patience pays, but I don't know if I have the patience for this shit right now. Ugh. Also, because this consolidation could lead to a massive dump off a cliff. The way we've been running, I don't think it's gonna happen, so I guess we'll sit and wait to get paid. What'd you eat?
Snack.
Mm-hmm.
I still have cheese ball for you.
Oh my god. The fucking cheese ball.
You want to drink one go?
Actually, yeah, that sounds pretty good.
Maybe tomorrow I might go with you.
What?
I'm just annoyed that long you died.
Really?
Yeah. I just don't have anything to talk with him.
Yeah. You can just sit there.
Yeah, and sit there and listen him. That's it.
You can tell him to fuck off.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's pretty good. A mango lassi.
Oh, and I'm so tired today.
Me too.
You know,
Hmm.
the days I have sun.
Yeah, we got a lot of sun. Not a lot of that. I want to just get this mega pump over with. I'll be done. Feel how hot I am?
Hmm?
Fucking hot.
You hot?
You feel that or no?
Are you a fever?
It feels like
Yeah, I
it.
feel. But I'm cold now.
Yeah, it should break this FEG. I don't really see a reason for it to go down. There's no news. It already had its pullback. Yeah, I don't see what the cause for a massive dump will be. If there's a break. Let's see how far it'll go. We'll sell one at VWAP here. 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. Just a little bit of a sweep above the highs. I'm just push higher for us to be bullish. And Q loves sweeping and dumping. But I don't see a reason for us to dump. Oh my god, game on. Are you on an XFA, dude? Nice. Nice. I mean, yeah, honestly, I'm bullish until 582. At 582, obviously it's the high. Tapped it, what, twice? Double top, and then dump off a cliff. I could see this going all the way back up to the highs, dude. That's how bullish we've been the past few days. And the daily just looks like a fucking monster. We game on. It's fun to roll right now. And remember, game on, don't do what I've done before and what many others do is have a great day today, make 3K, right? That's great. But just slow roll. $200 profit every day till you get that payout, dude. Make sure you get that payout, dude. That's the one thing I regret about my funded accounts is not taking the 50K payouts when it was available to me. After a green day, you fucking feel like you're on the moon. Like a big green day. And then you end up burning it very quickly. Make sure you actively think about just getting the $200 profit and being done. Just making one good trade. Don't even think about the $200 profit. Just think about one good trade per day till you get your 5 days plus 200. Take the fucking payout and run with it, dude. And then you could go fucking ham and do whatever else you want. Secure the payout. Yeah, it makes sense today, but tomorrow, when you wake up, things could change. So just remember what you're thinking today and what I'm talking about. Because I've done that twice now. Once with my 22K payout last week. Yeah, fight. You gotta fight those degens. Not my VWAP. I was just getting to my VWAP now. This is my VWAP, this white line. Yeah, VWAPs are different per platform. We could sell one right here for proper risk management, but I think it's going higher. So we'll hold 2 runners. This very well could be the end, actually. Nah. Nah, I think we're bullish on the whole day. Slow grind up. Like I said, there's really no reason for us to dump. There's no news. They already took profit. Yeah, shorts already got fucking rolled. I think it's just pullbacks and we slow grind up. But do we want to hold for this slow grind is the question. I mean, I'm just on a combine, so I just don't feel like putting that much time into it. We already have almost 2K. We want the 4K though. We might have to add more cons. I like the 5 and 15, but the 4 hour and 1 hour tend to hold a little bit better. Like a 5-minute FVG might be irrelevant, you know what I mean? 15, a little more relevant. The higher time scale you go, the more relevant they are. Or more likely to hold. Oh, TJ's in shorts. 5'11". Right here. Ah, that's a good short. For the pullback. No pullback scalps. He might just get ripped through right here though. Hopefully he's just scalping. Lemming just called TJ liquidity. Like, you ever gonna give up your liquidity? Yeah, lemmings and longs are safe. No way it dumps. How could a lemming be wrong? I think I'm gonna have to scale up a little bit. This slow grind is gonna fucking bore me to death. We'll do it now. We'll go 4 cons for this pump. Just added the logs. Lemming exactly. TJ. Look, he's gonna jump off a cliff. Might add one more. For the pump. Let's see if this actually does jump off a cliff though, because it could very well happen. For no fucking reason at all. Little lick sweep. Kind of looking more than a lick sweep though. Could add one more here. Added a bit early on those other 2, but it's okay. If it breaks this 48 level, we're in trouble though. Look at that. Mad liquidity. Fuck me. This might actually be a dump. Or just a fake out. Oh my lordy. This is dumping. Holy fuck me. I guess we gotta get out. Fuck that. $1,400. God damn. Guess there was a reason for a dump. I watched that be all she wrote too. ICT textbook. Capsule FEG. Unicorn to the downside. I actually don't know what that is. Maybe I should read a little bit or watch a few of ICT's videos. I mean, this is what I usually go for. I like to short, right? So I usually would be shorting this. Since we were in longs, I'm not thinking this is gonna dump this hard. A 1 minute FEG tap and dump. It's gonna dump off a cliff though? I mean, it kind of did, I guess. there more downside is the question. That was 160 ticks? Jesus. Next level. Back to 440. Oh shit, it could want the double tap. Fuck, we did say that earlier. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this today because there's no news, like there's nothing really around to dump it. We've been so bullish, I was expecting just a slow grind up for a fucking hot minute, but did not happen. Could join shorts at this point because it does want to sweep liquidity, right? So technically it's sweeping these lows right now, right here, this level. So want this next one is the question. I'm splitting golf with rooms. Room on the other FAD in the 1 hour. But Shambles is bearish. Just liquidated all the longs. Let's see what we got here. This is going to be a quick rip up. Bearish continuation. I think we're bearish now. Yeah. Yeah, our long play done for. Fuck, I actually think we might be going back up. Slow grind. I did take some profit, but then I added. So I'm actually down 1,400. But I think we're going to hit these shorts here. Yeah, we'll take the shorts. See if we keep going. It does make a lot of sense that we keep going down. We break this level and just head down. Thought it was going to be a bullish day, slow grind up, but it might just be fucking dropping most of the day. Unless this is just a range day, then we're just mega fucked. Yeah. Fucking hate range days, man. Check this nearest 1 minute. See where this 1 minute is. 480. We're pretty much at it right now. 480. Could add one more. Hopes we break it. Or we don't break it. Testing it real hard right now. Is it? Shit. It's that or we hold it tight, boy. Honestly, I'm so fucking fried that I don't even want to trade anymore. I want that 4K though, so we can get the XFAs, but fucking our long play just got roasted, so I think we might just call it. It looks like it still wants to dump though. So maybe we'll just wait for this trade to play out and then we're gonna call it whatever we're at. Yeah, like it just goes up and down, like all fucking day. It's good if you just scalp it, but we were looking for a long-term hold, but today's not the day for it. Unless this downtrend continues. I feel like we might slow grind up and then yeah, dump off a cliff. This might be the dump. To 442. Yeah, let's just see if our play works out. What's that feel? Hmm. No news, all-time high, feels scared to pump it, yeah. Yeah, I didn't think about that. All-time high. Ay, ay, ay. Fucking brutal. I think I'm gonna stop trading London because by the time I get to New York, I'm already fucking fried. We could wait to see if our play works out, but I don't think this is the day for it is the problem. We might be selling early at 65. I think it at least goes down there. I'm not entirely sure if we're actually going to get to 442. I almost think we might just be fucked in this short right here, too. Just gonna whip around, fuck everybody, just holding for a trend. Like we just got fucked. Usually I see those dumps coming, too. One fucking snuck up on me. This is looking like it's gonna whip. Actually, don't even know if this is gonna come to our break even before we get stopped out. Yeah, we're stopped out. Fuck, man. Alright, that's a big fucking rip. Whatever. I'm fucking burnt. And done for the day. Should have been done earlier, taking that prop and just chilled, but wanted to 4K. Unfortunate. Whatever. Ugh. I'm fucking fried. Gotta get ready for scuba tomorrow. Yeah, today is just like a rough day to trade. Just fucking needed to add on size for these fucking little range trades. And I was trying to play safe, and then yeah, whatever. I mean, yeah. It's more than likely I'm actually thinking that the shambles is right. All-time high. People are scared to pump it with no news or any catalyst. I was thinking that that was the perk of, or like the reason it's not gonna dump. But this is all-time high. So what's the catalyst to pump it? I didn't think about the flip side. That's what got me today. But whatever. I'm like overheating actually. Like ever since I got back from scuba diving, I've been like extra hot. I don't know what the fuck is going on. But that's it. We done. GG's. Fucking choked on our take profits. Added too much for the dump and whatever. Sometimes it'd be like that. We will be back at it tomorrow. LFG. Time to sleep and chill. Peace out, boys. Salud. Peace.